Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial in Maya. Today I'm going to show you how to create a very simple piston for your mechanical rigs. So in this case I have this piece and this one, and the idea is that when you select it you can translate it and the other one is going to follow. And in this case, if I select the other one, it's doing the same behavior. Okay? So in order to create this rig, we are going to select each part of the model and just go Ctrl G, Ctrl G, and the other one Ctrl G, Ctrl G. And I'm going to rename these groups. Uh, this one is going to be base or piston A, and the other one is going to be base B. This one is going to be aim A, and this one is going to be aim B. And now I have to select both base and aim for V, and then go to insert or D and V and put the pivot in the base. And then for this one again, put the pivot in the base, and that's it for both groups. Okay. Now that we have this, I'm going to select base A and aim B. This is like a tongue twister. And go to aim constraint, and then base B and aim A, aim constraint. With default settings, it doesn't matter. And that's it. So when you select base A, you have this behavior in any axis, and this one as well. The good thing is that these groups base B and base A are completely clean, and you can connect them to another, for example, IK or any other part of a rig, and it's going to work correctly with the behavior of it. So I hope this is useful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like my content.